Hello everyone and welcome to a new ServiceTonic video. In this video, we will explain the knowledge base, also known as the KB. We will learn how to create, modify, and manage all the options offered by the ServiceTonic KB. But first, we need to understand what it is. The KB is a database that stores a variety of topics accessible for both agents and contacts. For contacts, the KB can be accessed through the portal's widgets or via direct link. For agents, it can be found in the menu under the Tools section, Knowledge. As seen in the top left, we have a list of accessible libraries. We have libraries like IT Solutions, FAQs, and GDPR. Each library contains its own content, which can either be a simple list of topics or something more elaborate like the hierarchical structure we are viewing now. This structure contains directories and parent topics such as hardware, which branches out into more specific topics. Each topic offers a title, a description, a direct link, and finally, statistics. Now that we have seen how it works, let's dive into the configuration. To do this, go to Administration, System, and then Knowledge. Click on the Library Management window, where you will see a list of all available libraries. For example, let's select IT Solutions, where we can see all services with access, library translations, role permissions for the library, criteria for contact access, and finally, the public checkbox. When this is checked, all contacts on the user portal will have access to the library. Using the buttons, we can add or remove libraries, and with the central button, we can proceed to manage the library. Now, we can organize the topic tree for our library. By clicking with the right button, we see several options such as ordering the topic, creating a subtopic, or even deleting it. We can navigate within the tree to reach out the topic related to Monitor. In this topic, we can add a description in various languages. Simply select the preferred language and proceed. For internal topic management, we can add keywords so that when a direct search is performed, this topic is suggested. For example, adding HDMI as a keyword. We also need to manage access to the topic, deciding whether it will be visible to all users, including unregistered ones, or if it should be an internal topic accessible only to service agents. In addition to plain text, we can also add images, videos, or hyperlinks. Once we've finished editing the topic, we just need to save to apply the changes. Finally, let's look at the configuration parameters for search results. For this, we go to Administration, System, and then Knowledge again, followed by Search Administration. Here, we see the different options for searching topics. We start with keywords weight, which refers to the importance of keywords we defined earlier in the topics, like HDMI in the Monitor example, and the title weight. Then, there's the description weight, fuzzy logic, and the number of proposals to show. Fuzzy logic determines the number of letter errors allowed when searching. For example, with fuzzy logic set to 2, you could misspell 2 letters in HDMI and it would still show the correct topic in the search results. Remember to save the changes once done. And that's it. That concludes the video on Knowledge Base. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to reach out to our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.